And we're actually seeing the cloud bank from that storm if you look outside right now, but the moisture staying well off to the south. You'll see the magenta, which is the ice, turning more green. In other words, temperatures are at least getting above freezing from Texas to Tennessee. And then you'll see some blue in the upper Great Lakes. Now that's our Arctic cold front. So let's take a look at what's happening. First of all, outside, those clouds spilling this far north up to the I-70 corridor after a beautiful start today, but very cold on our Mr. Rooter Tower Cam review. Temperatures have moderated quite a bit, 36. We started the day around 20 with teens in the colder areas. Southwest at 13 gives us a wind chill, though, in the 20s. High pressure nestled in between the southern storm, and there's the leading edge of frigid air starting to move across the eastern Great Lakes. This will be the coldest air in several decades for areas in northern New England, for example. So seasonably chilly, a steep drop in temperature coming tonight that will send our wind chill factor to close to 0 by morning. So that's going to be a little bit of a shock to the system heading out the door on your Friday. 36 now, 33 Mount Gilead, but most locations are in the upper 30s. The clouds keeping us from getting to 40 degrees. But take a look at the wind chills as we get into the overnight hours. Initially in the 20s, into the teens late tonight, and then how about rush hour? You better dress for wind chills of 2 or 3. That's in Columbus. Temperatures dropping into the middle teens, so it's going to be bitterly cold. Winds of about 20 miles an hour out of the northwest. So clouds will be on the increase this evening, and then we'll start to pick up a few very light snow flurries, mainly north and east. As the leading edge of that Arctic air builds south, we'll be in the upper 20s when we go to bed, and then we'll be in the low teens or even upper single digits up at Bucyrus in the morning. Skies will clear. See the streamers off Lake Erie. But temperatures tomorrow pretty much stay in the teens. A struggle to get to 20 degrees. High pressure builds in for the weekend. But just like that, as I said, it's going to be a very quick cold snap after a frigid morning on Saturday. Winds turn southerly in the afternoon, and we'll start to push back into the upper 30s today, like today, and then the 40s on Sunday. So 14 degrees tomorrow morning. Yes, it's going to be feeling even colder. Some snowflakes around, a cold wind tomorrow, right around 20. A nice rebound Saturday, 37. Clouds on Sunday, 45. And 50s next week with sprinkles Tuesday and rain late in the week. So just a brief cold snap.